Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have something really exciting to review and unbox. The Blink Outdoor 4, the newest model from the Blink. This is a wireless smart security camera that promises peace in mind in minutes with the features like 2-year battery life, 2-way audio and enhanced motion detection. In this video we will start with the unboxing, then I will take it apart to show you what's inside, reassemble it, and finally test out its features in real world use. By the end, you will know exactly whether this security camera is the right choice for your home. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump into the unboxing of the Blink Outdoor 4. Right on the box, you can already see the key highlights. This package also includes a sync module with the camera. Opening the box, the first things we get is the camera itself. Compact, sleek, and built to withstand outdoor conditions. Then we have the mounting kit. It's easy to use and user-friendly. You can easily screw it on any wall. This mounting kit has 2 screw holes on it. You can easily snap it on the back of the camera. Also included are the double lithium batteries, which Blink claims can last up to 2 years on normal use. To open the back of the camera, use the provided versatile adapter. On the packaging, they include a sync module too. This version is called Sync Module 4. It's a powerful, easy to use and user-friendly one. Also included a power adapter and cable for this sync module. Cables are pretty lengthy. You can connect from a long distance. To smoothly connect the power cable on this module, I have also found a perfect solution, an outlet wall mount. I'll include the link on the description. I think this device is everything a security camera needs. It's easy to use, user-friendly and weather-sealed. I always appreciate when a company includes everything you need to get started straight out of the box. Now let's take a look inside the Blink Outdoor 4. Removing the back cover is easy. Users need to use the versatile adapter to unscrew. Here's the battery compartment, designed for 2 double lithium batteries. This is what gives the camera its impressive long battery life. Users need to put them on the compartment. Make sure you replace the batteries with your Energizer Ultimate lithium-ion batteries. This works best on this camera. On the back, you can also see the barcode which scan and connect with your smartphone. You can also notice it's weather sealed, which helps protect against rain and dust. You can see if I try to reassemble it, it snaps back together easily. Now that we have seen the inside and the quality of the Blink Outdoor 4, let's take a closer look at what makes this camera stand out. The features. From day and night HD live view to 2-way talk and even motion detection zones, you can control right from the app. This device is designed to keep your home secure without complicated setup. To set up the camera with your smartphone, start by downloading the Blink Home Monitor app from the Play Store or App Store and creating an account. If this is your first Blink device, you need to add a sync module to your system before adding your camera. Blink Outdoor 4 works with any sync module, including the Sync Module XR, the Sync Module 4 or the Sync Module 2. To connect the device with the app, you must scan the barcode on the back of the camera. To connect with your sync module, you must go to the upper right corner and press this plus button. Then press on the sync module icon and it will ask for your phone camera access. Just allow it. It will ask for another barcode. You can find the barcode on the back of your sync module. Just scan the barcode and your sync module will automatically connect with this app. This is a new device, that's why you need to create a new system. For that, select the new system and press the continue button, and after you need to give a name for your new system which record every movement of your camera. Again press the continue button Now you need to check your sync module to look it's blinking blue. If it's working, then press on the discover device. Then press on the join button. After found the device by the app, press on the done button. So that's the camera. It's blue right now, but if you press it, then it will show you the live feed. In this live recording, you can see some extra buttons on the bottom. If you press the more button, then you can control the device settings from here. In the device settings, you can control general settings like device name, network status, framework update, and little more. Next, you can control on the motion detection. This is where it gets smarter. You can set up activity zones in this app, meaning you will only get alerts for the areas that matter. No more false alarms from cars driving by. After that, you can control the live view. Whether it's day or night, the camera streams in 1080p. The night vision is infrared based, which gives a clear picture even in total darkness. And finally, the best one, I like it most, two-way audio and Alexa integration. Using this app, you can not only hear what's happening outside, but also speak directly through the camera. Perfect for scanning of unwanted visitors or even just talking to delivery man. And finally, Alexa integration. If you use Alexa devices, you can just say, Alexa, show me the front yard, and the live feed will appear instantly on your Echo Show. All of these come together to make Blink Outdoor 4 a very user-friendly yet powerful home security camera. Now a quick note about repairs. The Blink Outdoor 4 is designed to be simple and reliable, but like most compact smart devices, it isn't really meant for heavy repairs. The parts inside are tightly integrated, so if something electronic goes wrong, it's best to contact Blink support rather than trying to fix the circuit board yourself. However, the good news is that basic maintenance is super easy. For example, you can replace the batteries and clean the lens cover. So that was our hands-on review of the Blink Outdoor 4. It's smart, reliable, and truly easy to use home security solution. Personally, I like the simple setup and the fact that it works seamlessly with Alexa for the voice control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share the video and subscribe the channel for more honest review and complete beginner's guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.